1. Unconditional love. John 3:16. For God so loved the world, that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. 1 John 4:2-8. Whoever does not love does not know God, because God is love. 2. Creation in God's image. Genesis 1:27. So God created mankind in his own image. In the image of God, he created them. Male and female, he created them. Psalm 139:13-14. For you created my inmost being. You knit me together in my mother's womb. I praise you, because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. 3. Redemption. John 15:13. Greater love has no one than this, to lay down one's life for one's friends. Romans 5:8. But God demonstrates his own love for us in this: while we were still sinners, Christ died for us. 4. Compassion. Matthew 9:36. When he saw the crowds, he had compassion on them, because they were harassed and helpless, like sheep without a shepherd. Mark 6:34. When Jesus landed and saw a large crowd, he had compassion on them, because they were like sheep without a shepherd. 5. Forgiveness. Luke 23:34. Jesus said, Father, forgive them, for they do not know what they are doing. Matthew 18:21-22. Then Peter came to Jesus and asked, Lord, how many times shall I forgive my brother or sister who sins against me? Up to 7 times. Jesus answered, I tell you, not 7 times, but 77 times. 6. Sacrificial love. John 10:11. I am the good shepherd. The good shepherd lays down his life for the sheep. 1 John 3:16. This is how we know what love is. Jesus Christ laid down his life for us. 7. Desire for relationship. John 15:15. I no longer call you servants, because a servant does not know his master's business. Instead, I have called you friends, for everything that I learned from my Father I have made known to you. Revelation 3:20. Here I am. I stand at the door and knock. If anyone hears my voice and opens the door, I will come in and eat with that person, and they with me. 8. Healing and restoration. Matthew 14:14. When Jesus landed and saw a large crowd, he had compassion on them and healed their sick. Mark 5:25-34. The story of the woman with the issue of blood, who was healed by touching Jesus' cloak. 9. Teachings of love. John 13:34-35. A new command I give you, love one another. As I have loved you, so you must love one another. By this everyone will know that you are my disciples, if you love one another. Matthew 20:37-40. Jesus teaches the greatest commandments, including loving God and loving others. 10. Eternal hope. John 11:25-26. Jesus said to her, I am the resurrection and the life. The one who believes in me will live, even though they die. And whoever lives by believing in me will never die.